Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this super cute Valentine's Day look, right? Super romantic. I wanted to get real spooky and I've been wanting to play with blood for a while and kind of get back into body painting, so this is a slow first step to get back there. Today I am wearing this beautiful wig. It is from EvaHair Official. Super cute. It comes with bangs and it is a straight wig. It is on sale for $74 on EvaHair, but you can use the code EVA9 off to save $9 on it. It is called the Classic Black Long Straight Sleek Synthetic Wefted Cap Wig with Full Blunt Bangs. Woo! That's a mouthful. And it's not lace front, but it is still a wefted cap, so it's really cute. I love it. I cut the bangs a little bit. I have black hair, but I wanted bangs, so I got a wig because I obviously don't want to cut bangs on myself. So I will have the link for everything down below. Starting with the look, I primed my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden, and then I'm taking my Anarchy Star Crushed Minerals eyeshadow, and I'm placing that in my crease and using this as my transition shade and doing kind of a winged shape from the inner to outer corner of my eye. Then I'm taking my Marc Jacobs gel liner in Fine Wine, and I'm just doing a little line right in the middle of that color, and applying Man Eater from the Huda Rose Gold palette on top, and really smoking and blending that out, just to give a really intense red look. I was not holding back with the red or the color on this one, guys. And then I'm taking my Sigma brushes, and I'm just kind of blending everything out. I'm taking my Basket Case liner from Kat Von D, and I'm placing this all over my lid. I wanted to do it kind of like a red smoky eye, so I just did a wing shape for this, and then I packed some black shadow right on top of that to set it all, and started blending it up into the red. I mixed red and black together and just kept blending up, and then going back in with red and adding more red where I saw it fit. I wanted this to be a very dramatic look, so there you have it. Lots of drama. For the face, I'm taking my Primed and Peachy from Too Faced as my primer. And for foundation, I'm taking my always favorite Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. This is in the shade Light 46 Cool, and I'm almost out. I'm so freaking sad, y'all. But I'm just applying this with my Kabuki brush from Sigma all over my face. And I'm also doing concealer and setting it all with powder. I just don't show that. Going back in towards the eye, I'm placing that red color from Star Crushed Minerals again underneath the eye. I'm sorry, it's out of frame. I cannot get it together, y'all. And then I'm going in with the black Basket Case liner again on my lower lash line, smoking that out into the red, doing the red all over from the inner corner to the outer corner. Just making it super smoky and dramatic, y'all. Just go to town. For the brows, I'm using my Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit first, and I'm filling and kind of making the shape of the brows I wanted. I wanted them really arched and really straight and really dramatic. And I'm using an LA Splash Cosmetics brow brush for this. And I'm going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in Granite, and I'm just going over that to make them black and to make sure they're nice and defined. And then I go in with a brush to make sure all the hairs are going the right direction. And I clean it all up with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Yay, all done. Look at them fierce brows. Now I'm taking my NYX glitter in red, and I'm also taking my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm applying that right on the inner corner of the eye, just to give a little pop of glitter for this look, because why not? Why wouldn't you do that? And then I take my Too Faced glitter in Snow Fairy, and I'm applying that as my highlight today on my brow bone. I also apply it on my face later on in the video. Moving on to the chest, I am taking a red pencil from Ben Nye, and I'm just going to outline the words "Be Mine." Now, remember, whenever you're doing letters, you want to do it backwards in the mirror, because I am doing it in the mirror. That's how you paint yourself. You do it backwards. So make sure you're writing the letters backwards and not the right way they look in the mirror. I'm also doing kind of like scratchy. I'm not making it like nice writing because I want to look like it's cut into my skin. You can use liquid latex to get really dramatic with this look, but I just wanted to make it really simple. So I'm using this rainbow color wheel from Ben Nye. They're cream paints, and I'm also using this stack of colors from Ben Nye. I'm using the red in this one. I'm going to start with the dark one first, and I'm just randomly placing it all around the letters to make it look like bruising, because if you cut yourself, that intensely, you're gonna have some bruising, girl. So I'm just kind of placing it randomly all over the place and doing little spots and then blending it out with my finger. And then I'm going in with that red from the color wheel and using my finger just to apply it in random areas as well. I then start taking a little bit of yellow because bruises tend to have odd colors in them. So a little bit of yellow, and I added a little bit more of the dark red in some areas to make it not just look like spots, but to look like bigger blotches. Now for the fun part. This stuff is my favorite. Thick blood from Ben Nye. I love thick blood. I love scab blood. It's so fun. It's so gross. I'm just going to apply this over the letters. This is going to give that dark red kind of base, and then we're going to go back over it with some stage blood. Thick blood stays in place and it dries down, the same with scab blood, and it's not going to move anywhere once you place it there. It's just going to stay. We're going to move back onto the face, and then we'll come back down onto the chest once that's dried. I'm using my Shade and Light contour palette from Kat Von D. I'm doing a very intense contour today just because I was feeling it. Why not? I'm like some kind of vampire or spooky Valentine's Day chick. I don't really know what I was, but I just had fun being spooky for a day. I contour my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and I also contour my little nose. I also contour around my lips a tiny bit just to make them appear a little bit larger after I put lipstick on. And then I just blend out my nose with my brush that has leftover foundation on it. I'm taking the blush Insightful from Tarte, and I'm applying this on my cheeks today. And for highlight, I'm using that Snow Fairy glitter from Too Faced, again on my cheeks. I mean, it's super blinding. Look at that. I just love it. I get it wet with Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. You can really use any setting spray to do that, but it is just so blinding. I love it. Oh yeah, look at that sparkle. Then I'm taking this lipstick called Midnight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what we're going to be primarily using for our lips today. I'm first outlining with my LA Splash Cosmetics Test Skin Lip Liner, just so I know where I'm going. And then I fill in the inside of my lips with the Anastasia Matte Lipstick as much as I can. I really don't like regular lipsticks. They tend to bleed on me and feather out. So I'm just using this on the inside of my lips. And then I'm taking this LA Splash Cosmetics Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick in Evil Doer, and I'm applying that around the edges. That way there's no bleeding. Nothing weird's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? I just have the worst luck with regular lipstick. And now we're going to take Stage Blood, which smells so minty and fresh. That's right. And this stuff does not dry down. It will keep running if you allow it to run. I kind of try to stop it a little bit, but I still want that drippy effect, so I don't pull it too much. I will just kind of let it run. Make sure you're wearing a shirt that you don't really care about, because you'll probably get blood on it. It does wash out easy, though. I will say that. I'm just kind of applying that all over and doing little blotches and some spots and making it look messy. And then I almost freaking forgot my lashes, y'all. I thought I was done, and I was like, oh my god, no I'm not. So I'm using my Bad Gal Bang from Benefit and applying that on my lashes first. And then I am taking the Miss Fiore lashes from Rouge and Rogue. That's their Black Magic lashes, and I'm applying those first. And I'm taking my Sephora Hypnotized lashes, and I'm stacking them on top. I wanted my lashes to be super dramatic. My headpiece is from Spirit Halloween as well, just in case you were wondering. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to get so spooky in the middle of February. I know. You all know me, though, by now. So I hope you enjoyed this spooky tutorial, and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.